Welcome to Indonesia.
Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome to Manny Pagan Travel channel. Currently, I am in Bali. We just got to Bali and we are very, very happy to be here. We're gonna check out some really cool places here in Bali. Waterfalls, beaches, excursions, all the above. So if you wanna check all this out, make sure you stay on this video and watch the whole thing. Here we go. All right, in our first stop here in Bali, we are actually at McDonald's. So our Airbnb is about an hour and a half away from the airport. So we're here at McDonald's and look at the McDonald's. Like everything here, it's kind of like for a temple. You know, a lot of Hindus here, you know, Hindi. Their religion is basically what's practiced here, so pretty interesting to see this. All right, check out the new things on this menu, or the things that they have here, right? So yeah, check it out.
Pretty sure this is not ketchup.
This is a spicy chicken sandwich.
Pretty sure that's not ketchup.
In Bali. So look at the bread, it's totally different.
Oh.
We have alamo dessert, so it's hot. The pie is hot, but then we have the ice cream. That's regular, obviously regular. This is a mango float, Sprite with mango. And float has ice cream on top as well. 20-piece nuggets. And all of this came out to $19.
Power.
Here we
Give
go.
power.
Get
Here
more
we go.
power, boom.
Here we go. I'm scared now. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go.
Go, go,
Go, go, go, go.
Oh no, he's stuck.
No, go back, go back, go back. Go back slowly.
Wait, there's a...
Oh,
Okay,
wait,
esto no
wait.
tiene pull.
What if you put it in sport?
All right, so we finally got to the Airbnb that we're gonna stay at. This is absolutely amazing. I love the entrance of this place, but let's actually see it. So, Ivana Cliffside Bamboo Villas. And check it out, guys.
Welcome to Avana.
Thank you, thank you.
Have seat, please.
Wow.
Thank you. Baby, vente.
Welcome to my crib.
This is the welcome drink. It's
Baby,
dragon
you're funny.
fruits, orange,
Oh,
and cold sour.
I'll have to try this way.
damn, I'm winded going up that little
Back.
hill. Wash your hair.
Inside, sir.
Oh, take off my shoe?
Yes, inside. Thanks.
Oh,
No
inside?
worries. Yeah. Or you don't need thanks.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then this is your shower room.
Okay.
Yeah. If you want to do shower, please close the curtain. And then this is your toilet actually. How to open and
Oh,
like
really?
this one.
Wow.
Like this.
Wow.
So every room has shower and then toilet and then bathtub. This is
I don't like you
the
recording
room
me.
we call.
No, yeah.
So,
It's beautiful.
well,
Take the
light.
photo. I like the top.
Okay. And this one is your balcony. The view also from here. You can see ocean.
Wow.
Well,
Wow.
that is ocean Nusa Penida.
Wow.
Terrace sharing here and then volcano. the Agung volcano over there. So in the morning, if they didn't cloudy, then this will be volcano.
This is amazing.
So bathtub, this is bubble bath. So if you wanna do here, so you can use this one.
Wow.
It smells really good.
Like lower here,
Yes, the
you
lower
can
level.
go here, and then up.
Wow.
So the password is same.
Panda 333.
Yeah. All
Okay,
the
Panda
information
333.
Don't
like
look at my McDonald's.
check-in time is 2, check-out time is 11, and then what? Everything here.
Okay.
This is insane, guys. This is insane. Look at this view. Look at this pool. Absolutely amazing.
Nasi goreng, choco,
Love
everything.
this chill area here.
Yeah, vegetarian.
Wow.
Lot of vegetarian because we have set.
Esta sí que está bien pegada.
This is es la misma.
No. La misma que.
Oh, I didn't.
Oh, it has its own bathroom.
All of them do.
They do?
Yeah, all of them do.
Oh.
So this one I like being in the bath. I like the bathroom being connected to the bedroom. You know.
I love that they all get a view.
Yeah.
Well, the same the view actually. Ocean, Agung Mountain.
All right, Mandy, come on, pick. I'm tired.
All right, so we made a decision, and this is our room. So again, this is where you come in to take a shower. Obviously, brush your teeth here. You take a shower here, and you make a poopies right here. So it's no real door, it's just like the bamboo sticks out there. And then got a little viewing area there, and this is it. So this is absolutely amazing. The bed is amazing. And if you're wondering, does this place have AC? Yes, it does. It's right there hidden though, so it doesn't kind of mess up the bamboo room view. We have like a place we can put all our stuff in. And best of all, the amazing Bali views. Why we came to Bali, one of the major reasons for this place. This is amazing. Just look at that view. I best believe we're gonna have fun. It's poolside. Oh, guys, this is spectacular. Look at this, guys. Look at that view.
I just
I mean, all the rooms smell really good.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
So what do you guys think? Best B&B you've stayed at so far?
Oh yeah.
Here's when this place looks the best. So you still have the views, but
500K?
And then it says dash pack. So 150.
Dash what?
you get the lights in the background. It's actually really nice.
Dash what?
One of the very cool things about this villa is that you can actually get your dinner ordered straight from the kitchen and the butlers, and they'll actually bring it out to you. So tonight, check it out. All right, so after going to these amazing spots to see the sunrise, we just decided to just chill. We wanted to see some waterfalls and all that, but we're pretty exhausted, so we will stay here and enjoy the rest of the day, then hopefully get some good cuisine later. and massages. My goodness, what an incredible view. We are truly, truly blessed here. And let's get a little more of it. Let's see what else we see out there. So another experience that you can get in this amazing villa treehouse that we rented here in Bali is massages. And we're going to have the couples get the massages. It's amazing, and it's included is like 20 bucks per person. So that's absolutely amazing. Imagine getting a massage with this view. Go check it out.
Miss Putu, I'm your butler in Apana Villa.
And my name is Lanang, and Set Apana.
Yeah, he's in yeah. He's everything for the condiment also.
Very nice.
Ooh, an arito.
This for the salad, I have potato salad with cocktail dressing and Greek salad with feta cheese. This for the salad too, and for the sauce dressing I have 3. This same both. This cocktail, sweet chili, and vinaigrette. And this for the sauce for the main dish. This Balinese, red Balinese spicy, and then barbecue sauce, and then the last this sambal mata. This from Bali.
Yeah, fresh sambal.
Sambal.
So do you like it spicy maybe, guys?
And for the
Well, some of
condiment,
us do, yes.
Some of
Some
us
don't, some do.
So that's very spicy.
but this not too much spicy. Just
Not
not
too
too
much.
much.
Just a little bit?
Little
Oh,
bit.
perfect.
But for you, not too much spicy.
It normally,
for us,
yeah.
a lot spicy.
In Bali is normally very spicy.
Yeah.
For
yeah,
guests, I'm usually make little bit spicy.
Oh.
For the start, vegetable or little bit.
Whatever, you tell me. You
Oh,
tell me,
okay.
and I'll do it.
Okay, maybe.
Okay, the normal we start
For the
vegetable.
Normal.
Let's
For
do
the
it.
sauce, this spicy, but not too much. This little bit and this barbecue.
What do you guys want?
I think they want.
Hmm?
You want spice?
I want to try at least one spice.
Let's
I
do
want
some
spice.
Wait, what is being cooked there?
Corn.
So this mixed vegetables
Yeah.
on like a kebab, corn, and then what is this?
This eggplant.
Eggplant. Okay.
Okay, so just put it on.
Ten cuidado con el fuego.
Which one do I put on, the kebab or?
On the kebab?
Sure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put a little bit there.
That little bit went on one section
Yo
of
for
it.
real, something now, right?
One more? Okay, we'll put more.
Wow.
Yeah, that's gonna be spicy.
Wow, Manny el chef.
No problem, all right? Chef Pagan.
Yeah. Now he's barbecuing.
I know, it's true. Manny, you have changed.
Yeah, I don't really touch the kitchen at the home. She does, so
He just
she's an
leaves
amazing
them on
cook.
the top.
Wow.
So today I'm the
Cuando
amazing
con
cook.
eso, He
Take
was all
that.
like, what do I do? And she's like, oh, ahí.